In this tutorial, we'll be going through a number of ways to navigate your way around Windows 10 along with other features of the Microsoft operating system. Now the first thing you'll notice is a change to the Start menu in Windows 10. The Start menu is the main point of access to your applications. There are two ways to open it. If you left click on the Start menu, you'll notice that the menu has totally changed from the Start menu in Windows 7. If you right click on the Start menu, you'll see that it has a bit more of a familiar menu layout and displays a number of administration options that you'd be used to seeing in Control Panel. If you left click back into the Start menu, you'll see a number of icons here which display Power, Settings, Pictures, Documents. You can also click up the top here on the three bars, which will expand that out, and that will give you the details of each of those icons. You also have the option as well to personalize this, so you can actually add more items into the Start menu. So if you right click on any of those icons and go to personalize this list, you'll be able to add in additional icons. So if you want to add one in for personal folders, downloads, for File Explorer, you can just come out of that now, go back into the Start menu, and you'll see you'll have those additional icons in the Start menu there. If you go down to the first icon, you'll see this is your power option. You still have the same options that you had before for restart, shutdown and sleep, but you just have it in a different format. As well, you have a different option here for settings, which is new in Windows 10. In the settings options here, this holds a lot of settings that you used to see in the Control Panel. The Control Panel is still available, but this is something that Microsoft is looking to phase out. If you go back into the options, you'll see that you have the options for now that you have for File Explorer. So when you click on one of those, that will bring you straight into your File Explorer. You go back into the Start menu. You'll also have account options as well. So you'll see for your account now that I'm logged in with here, you can just click on that. That gives you the options to sign out, change account settings, and lock your computer if you need to. If you have a look at the menu here, you'll still see that you still have your applications listed as you normally would in your Start menu, but Microsoft have done it a bit differently. You can see that they've done it in alphabetical order, which they used to do that before, but now they actually display the letters for you, so A, C. If you click on one of the letters, you'll see that that gives you all of the letters there, and you'll be able to click directly into a particular program folder, so it gives you all the programs beginning with W as well. A new addition to the Windows 10 Start menu is the new Tiles feature, which runs alongside your Windows applications. Here you can create groups of different applications. So if you want to create a group for, let's have a look, if we right click on an application here, and we'll pin that to the Start, and we'll right click on another application and pin this to the Start, you can go ahead and it creates a group for you. So if you click on the two dots there, go ahead and name that group there. So it allows you to organize your applications. If you use specific applications quite a lot, you can group them in a more organized manner. And you can stretch this out as far as you want as well. If you right click on the icon as well, you can also resize this. So if you only want it to be a small icon as well, you can do that as well. You can resize that to small as well. So you have more space if you have quite a lot of applications that you want to fill. You'll also see at the start of the menu as well that you have recently added applications as well, and you can also expand that. So you can see more applications that have been added recently. You can also drag applications directly onto the desktop as well. You can also search for applications by using the search feature at the bottom. So if I type for Microsoft Word there, you'll see you'll be able to access the application that way as well.